So yes, guys. So welcome back to the trading section today. First and foremost, today's market is going to be blazing. Monday set the tone. After Friday must have set the standard. And so, what I'm going to be doing today is intraday trading. First and foremost, for you to trade, there must be some balance in your portfolio, just like I'm having in my balances. I have $2,800, and I'm going to be using to trade. Now, for you, if you may be having $50, $20, 80, 100, as the case may be, whatever the range, it is the same opportunity that you take. And so, for any stock that I want to be listing out for you to buy, they must be trading below their intrinsic value, so that we don't just spend money buying stock when they are already overpriced or the value is already high. And so, for this swing trade, we're going to be taking it using the DCA method to be able to buy them. That is dollar cost averaging. First, then you break your balance into percentage, maybe 30, 30, 40. So you enter them, but don't forget there must be valuable stocks that you are buying. There must be valuable stocks, and so I'm going to apply in them right away. So first and foremost, I have this fast sell energy. That is first sell energy, and at the moment this stock is already below the intrinsic value, and my target is just to get just $1. If you appreciate $1, depending on the amount that I want to invest in. And so how do you set up your buy zone? For me, I've already analyzed the stock, and you can see where it is right now. My buy zone is just within $8 to 80 cents down to $9.50, and this is my stop loss from the analysis, and so I'm buying it at this stop loss. You can see that is how valuable it is. It's an opportunity that you should not miss, and so I'll go ahead to buy this particular stock over here because I'm using the True Finance to do my trading. And so I will come to the buy limit. Yes, because this stock is actually picking up, but I'm going to use my buy limit. And so again, because of this trading today, I did not actually enter it at the right point that I wanted. So don't forget that this stock is trading at the below intrinsic value, and so I want to set it up, and I'm using a 30 minutes trade. So I will check how many units can I buy. Can I buy 200 units? Let me see if I can buy 200 units. Awesome, I can buy 200 units of this stock, and my target is just $1. Let's just appreciate $1. If you appreciate $1, I would have made $200 immediately today. So I'll leave it there. And so I also have another stock again that I want to place on trade. I want to place Bitfarm. I'm actually checking Bitfarm to trade on it. So use my phone to check on Bitfarm to see where it is right away. And then I also have gold. I want to trade on gold. There are some other stocks that I don't want to tamper with. They're already on my list, which are long-term investment. But for the short term, I'm actually using these ones. And so in my subsequent class, I'm going to make it a real time. So everybody will be on I will connect everybody to my Zoom link. So we see these activities real time, and then we'll be able to play. But one thing that you would not be able to do is to choose the main stock to trade on, the main valuable stock to trade on. So whichever one I pick, of course, you can apply this method to any of them, and they will fly. And so my gold, I think I have gold, but I don't think if I have enough money on my portfolio. Bitfarm, I'm checking for Bitfarm. Yes, checking Bitfarm. The Bitfarm at this moment is actually trading almost above my target, so I'll check Bitfarm. Yes, this is Bitfarm. Bitfarm currently is trading at $5.16. I actually wanted it to drop at $4 plus before I get into the market. So I'm going to set my my entry price, and so I don't want to buy it at this price because my target is to hit above this level. So what do? I'll come here to say, okay, I want this stock. Let me check my analysis. I have my analysis at $4.90, so I'm going to make it $4. Let it drop to $4. I'll say 92 cents, and here I think I'll be able to buy. Let me see if I can buy 300 units of it. Can my balance give me that? Oh, nope. So let me buy 250 units. I'll buy 250 units. Oh, okay, maybe I can only buy 200 units. Can buy 200 units. Awesome. So I'm going to place this order. So the way the market is that you must not force the market. You only wait the market to meet you. Don't force the market. Don't force your wish to the market. You just allow the market to play, but then you set your entry point. Once the market drops to your level, it picks up. However, you must be able to choose the right stocks. This Bitfarm is actually, monitoring the Bitcoin industry, and right now Bitcoin is already down, preparing to pick up. So you can see I've just started with these cheap stocks, penny stocks for you to start with. So if you have done that, then you are good to go. For these ones, I already have some of my investors that are managing their portfolio, so I'm going to be using their account. So this is Bitfarm, so I'm going to buy this Bitfarm. From what I have, this stock is actually, I would say, 4.92 cents. So I think 4.92 cents I should be able to buy. Can I buy 20? I think I can buy 20. I can buy 20. Good. So I can buy 20 units. So once it peak, I will then come back again to set the limit option, that is the take profit. Okay, there's no more, but I think this person is actually making profit at the moment. So here we go. I have units already, and there is profit. I have Navitas, I have open door. Yeah, and if I check what this stock is all about, okay, good. So that is what it is. So for those of you who are actually trying to step into the market, do same, and I will be right here to guide you through. So that is what it is. Which other portfolio do I want to check what the person is doing? And let me check this. Okay, there's not much. So guys, this is what it is. So go ahead and make sure you monitor your investment. By the time it peaks, I will definitely see it there for my order history. And then the target for me, like I said, for fast sell, for F sell, my target is just $1. Once I appreciate $1, I'm going to take profit. And then for Bitfarm, my target is for it to hit $5. Let's say like 50 cents, I will take profit as well. So that is what it is. I think let me attend to some of my students who are already calling me to know which one they should buy. So again, help this video to get at least 50 likes. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you are not in the trading group, start right now, because this is the right time for us to start making money investing in stock, and we can now make sure we do the daily trade. But don't forget, it's a risky game when you are doing daily trade. However, if it doesn't work out the way you go, you just be patient. Definitely, stock does not allow you to lose all your money, but you now give it time for it to pick up. That is what it is. If you like this video, make sure you like the next one.